Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for Friday, December 9th, 2016. This is the weekend edition, actually for December 12th, 2016. It's about 55 minutes before the close. Wanted to get this out early. We actually have a thing called the Member Appreciation Week. So what we're doing in there actually is every part of Simpler Trading that we're going to have one person on where every part of Simpler Trading, whether it's the futures, the Forex, the stocks, they can interview one of the people on it. And today, it's me. So pretty neat about that. And so I'm on right after 4 o'clock. So I wanted to get this out early in here. So to give you an idea of what's going on right now, ES is up 825. That's not a surprise. NASDAQ up 25. Russell just a little weak in here. Very interesting. A lot of the sectors that have been the leaders are actually not acting that great today. Yeah, the bonds down again, down 117. Just an amazing sell-off in bonds. You have the Dow futures up 96. You have the transports down 11. This is what I mean. Check that out. Transports, Russell, just a little bit of portfolio rebalancing, so to speak. You have the crude oil up 64. Gold getting pounded again, down $12 in here. Yeah, the advanced decline actually negative by about 150. Usually when the bond market is down this much, you get a tremendous amount of interest rate sensitive stocks acting poorly, and that's exactly what you're getting today. So it's not a big surprise in there in the way I look at it. You have the DE Dow, the German DAX up about 0.2%. Yeah, the DJ China up about 0.2%, not much. TLT getting whacked again. Look at the put call ratio. Anytime that's under like 0.7, it shows a lot of complacency, and that's what you're getting. You finally have the VIX getting pounded today. For days it's held up until it doesn't. One of those things, just sort of brutal in there. The idea in there is a lot of people think this rally's gone too far, too fast. They try to buy the VIX. The problem is this time of year is notoriously difficult to ever buy the VIX. You really need to buy it out in March. So just keep that in mind. So where do we go from here? I think the ESs, you have to respect the bull flag. So when you go in here and look at an hourly chart, and I'm only going to show a couple of these because on the Simpler Stocks premium side, we're going to show all of these in here. But the idea is right now you have the ESs with this little bull flag right here. That projects about another 28 points from here, gets you to 22, let's say 75. I'm not saying it's going there, but I'm saying that you got to watch that. There is some big things to watch in here. Notice these little pockets of going up. But notice this beautiful pockets of negative divergence. That's something to keep in mind. Like, I think this could measure higher, but you got to respect that we're starting to get some negative divergence in here. So as you know, we still have the 7-day, 30-day trial. We're not going to have that much longer. But just give you in mind what we do in there. We have the chat room where you get me actually from 9 to 10 every morning. Just Eastern, so we could go over trades, go over strategies, go over any questions you might have. Premium video, much more in depth than what you're hearing now. The email alerts, to me, are one of the most powerful parts of this site. You have the stock trades and chart ideas. You also have index and futures charts. The first thing I do every morning is we go over an overall market perspective. That always helps to find what kind of stock trades and chart ideas to do. And then I also post unusual option activity. This has been working amazing. I don't post 100 a day and then if one hits, go and brag about it. I post them when they're in the direction of the prevailing trend, when there's certain options that you have to take notice of. And we've had a great track record with those. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. Look forward to talking to you next week.